Hello students, in my last video I explained to you the meaning of the poem Keeping Quiet written by Pablo Neruda. In this video I am going to take up the NCERT question answers based on the poem. Here I go. The first question is, what will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us achieve? Now, counting up to 12 and keeping still will help us to take a break from a hectic schedule or from a hectic life and will give us time for introspection. We will analyze our actions and stop our destructive activities. It will promote peace and brotherhood. Okay? Now, the next question is, do you think the poet advocates total inactivity and death? No, the poet does not advocate total inactivity. Total inactivity refers to death, and the poet clearly states he has no connection with death. He gives us a strong message of life. He wants us to lead a meaningful life full of peace, happiness, and contentment. Okay? Now, the next question is, what is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? The sadness that the poet refers to in the poem is that in the mad rush for survival, humans fail to understand themselves. We are single-mindedly running after materialistic success and gain. We are making progress at the cost of nature. We are causing harm to fellow human beings. So, this is the sadness that we are not realizing the consequences of our own actions. We are treading the path of self-destruction. Okay? Now, the last question is, what symbol from nature does the poet invoke to say that there can be life under apparent stillness? The poet uses the symbol of earth to suggest that there can be life under apparent stillness. The earth seems to be silent and still, but carries on its work all the time and supports so much life deep within. In winter season, especially in cold countries, the earth seems to be barren and without any vegetation and life. But as the season changes and spring comes, the earth rejuvenates and there is new life, there is beauty all around. The poet wants us also to be apparently take a break, to be silent, but use this silence for introspection and stop causing harm to nature and to other human beings, and thus he wants us to lead a life of peace and harmony. I hope the answers are clear to you. I want you to write the answers in your notebook and practice more questions. And if you have any doubt or query, you can ask me. Thank you.